Time for delivery of products. In physical store, we select the product and live with the product in our hands. In e-commerce, we often buy products that are not available locally, which means that the product need to be delivered, which takes time and cost money. The cost of shipping charges is an overhead in case of product in order from a distant place. Perishable products like fruit, vegetable and others are not preferred to purchase online. Online store doesn't provide the opportunity to touch, wear or feel the product. Therefore, online selling of such products like clothes and furniture might to be tricky. Payment on e-commerce are most often conducted using credit card facility. As a result, a very small and very large transactions are not preferred to be conducted online. Timely update of information and services are often problem in small organization trying to establish the business online. Now, the next topic is e-commerce business model. The business model of e-commerce are defined based on the party involved as a type of business activity or service provided. Many business models have been proposed e-commerce, but the following are the most popular amongst all. The first model is business to consumer. Business to consumer means B2C. Now the next model is B2B. B2B means business to business. Two business parties are involved in this e-commerce business activities. Third one is C2C, consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer e-commerce activity has been included in this model. Then fourth one is consumer to business, that means C2B. Now the first business model is business to consumer. Business to consumer refers to business and organization that sell the product or services to the consumer over internet using website. For example, Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, that they conduct the business. This business included in business to consumer model. Consumer from anywhere can browse and order and product or services anytime. The seller can sell the product directly to the consumer and the buyers are individually customer. This type of e-commerce that consumer are most likely to see on internet. Here they give the web page of Flipkart. Then you can include Amazon.com, Rediff.com, Fabmart.com are the example of business to consumer. Now the next model is business to business. In this model, two business parties involved. Business to business referred to as e-commerce activity between two different business partners. In B2B, both seller and buyer are the business entities. It enables the business to form of e-relationship with the supplier, distributor and other agent. This allows more transparency among the business entities involved and result in more efficiency. For example, manufacturer deal with the supplier and distributor and wholesaler. The manufacturer using B2B can quickly communicate to supplier about the diminishing stock product. The supplier is in terms can respond quickly to. With the help of B2B, the companies can improve the efficiency of common business activities like supplier management, inventory management and payment management and many more. Here the most website used business to business are commodityindia.com and tradeindia.com. The third model is consumer to consumer, that refers as C2C. C2C e-commerce activities involving the transaction between among the consumer that we discussed earlier, that is in auction. It enables the consumer to direct deal with each other through the online auction and classify advertisements without the involvement of third party. Any internet user become a vendor or purchase at C2C that we discussed earlier in auctions. Auction site are good example of C2C models. For example, eBay.com, OLX.com and Quicker.com are the example of consumer to consumer business model. Now the last model is consumer to business. Consumer to business C2B involves reserve auction where the customer determine the price of the product or services. In this type of e-commerce, consumer have choice of a wide range of the product and services along with the opportunity to specify the range of the price that they can afford and are willing to pay for particular product and services. Students, consumer to business means reverse auction. That means the business activities among between the consumer and to business. Here the two important website name are bitstall.com and jetly.in. Now the other various e-commerce business models are government to business, that means G2B, government to citizen, that means G2C, and government to government, G2G. The first one is government to business. Government to business refers the service and information provided by the government to the business organization through a vast network of government websites. Here, a business organization get all the information related to business policy, approvals for starting business, setup requirements, and other specification for this website. For example, here students, Income Tax Department of Government of India has their website www.incometaxindia.gov.in included in government to business model. Government to citizen. Government to citizen, that is G2C, is also the part of e-governance. The objective of the business model is provide good and effective services to individual citizen. The website provides information regarding the various government departments, various welfare schemes, different application form to used by the citizen, etc. The Gujarat government has developed its own network called Gujarat State Wide Area Network, GSWAN. Students, the full form of GSWAN is the Gujarat State Wide Area Network, GSWAN, for this purpose, and is available online. The website is www.gswan.gov.in. See figure 4.10 shows the home page of the GSWAN. In this website, they give the information regarding to the citizens of the country. Now, the next one is government to government. Government to government refers the online non-commercial communication between the government agencies, organization and department with other government agencies. Organization and department. The sharing of information helps in reducing IT cost, streamline procedure, and government office can be more efficient. From all the e-commerce model described above, B2C and B2B are the two most widely used model. The major difference between two model is the consumer. In B2B model, the consumer are the other companies. With B2C model, the consumers are individual. Thank you, students.